Hey folks, just thought I'd make a little video, see if I could help people out. Just try to turn on my John Deere tractor, which is an E150, and it was just making this kind of buzzing noise. Not clicking, it was buzzing. It was like bzzz. Yeah, buzzing. Anyways, looked online, people said, oh, maybe it's the battery or something else, but wasn't battery. There's still a display. I don't know if you can make that out. The display was still going. I don't know if that's a sign that the battery is full charge, but anyways, I did throw a voltmeter across the battery and checked it. It was 12.5 volts. So anyways, broke out all the tools. Just took off this contraption. There's the air cleaners over here. There's 2 screws that got to come out right there, and then the cover that I've got over here on the ground. But anyways, so what it turned out to be, after you take that guy off, you just have to loosen these nuts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to take them all the way off because this part slides off. But anyways, so I think what was happening was this guy was not engaging with this. I think that's the flywheel, but not a mechanic, don't know. So got out the trusty WD-40. Helps if you got a little spray nozzle like this, and blast it in here, blast it in there, blast in there. I'm not really sure which one worked, but the outcome is starting the engine. Anyways, hopefully that helps you. Didn't cost anything to do it other than I happen to have some WD on hand, so which probably most people do if they own a lawn tractor anyway. So yeah, hopefully that helps. Cheers.